Good afternoon from Grand Family Farm. This is Odo's new pup. It's a Labradoodle, and it likes water. Funny dog. She does like swimming, and now she likes playing with the hose. The other dogs aren't too happy about her. That's all fun, but I gotta turn the water off since we gotta mow. Yep, I'm always getting sidetracked. Well, story of my life. I ran out of gas, and I had Odo go get gas, and now we can't get the mower started, and it's just about dark, and I still have gravel to unload. Well, we should be done with it before dark. Then we gotta load the truck in the dark, apparently. Always project waiting for us to do it. Well, we did it. We made it in time before it's dark. Now, we gotta go unload the gravel out of the Ford truck over there to cover up the white dirt there in front of the barn. Here we are, race against time. It's dark here pretty quick. I want to try to get this gravel unloaded over in that lane real quick. I better stop playing on the camera here and let you go so I can work. You ready? We made it before it's dark. Odo's really motivated there. Yep, that lane's getting covered. Thanks for watching. Have a good night.